When it comes to choosing windows, Gilbert homeowners are looking for options that are energy efficient, durable, and low maintenance to withstand Arizona's intense heat and sunshine. Vinyl windows check all these boxes, making them an increasingly popular choice in Gilbert, Arizona. Here's why vinyl window installation is a smart investment for homeowners in the area. Exceptional energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is crucial in a climate like Gilbert's, where summer temperatures regularly soar. Vinyl windows are known for their excellent insulation properties, helping keep the cool air in and the hot air out. Vinyl frames are made from polyvinyl chloride, PVC, which doesn't conduct heat easily, reducing the amount of heat transferred through the windows. Many vinyl windows also come with double or triple pane glass and insulating gas layers, which create a thermal barrier and prevent heat from entering your home. This energy efficiency reduces the strain on your air conditioning system, helping you save on cooling costs. Durability in desert conditions. Arizona's climate can be hard on home materials, with extreme temperatures, harsh sunlight, and occasional dust storms. Vinyl is an ideal material for these conditions because it's resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, even under prolonged sun exposure. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't absorb moisture, so it won't swell or deteriorate when exposed to occasional rain or humidity. High-quality vinyl windows are built to last for decades, making them a low-maintenance and durable option for Gilbert homes. Low maintenance requirements. One of the biggest appeals of vinyl windows is how easy they are to maintain. Vinyl is naturally resistant to rotting, corrosion, and insect damage, so it doesn't need frequent upkeep. Unlike wood windows, which may need painting or staining over time, vinyl windows keep their appearance with minimal effort. A simple wash with soap and water is all you need to keep them looking fresh. For busy homeowners or those looking to minimize ongoing home maintenance, vinyl windows offer a hassle-free solution that stays beautiful year after year. Cost-effectiveness. Vinyl windows are one of the most affordable window options available, especially compared to wood and fiberglass. The initial cost of vinyl is lower, and when you consider the long-term energy savings and low maintenance needs, vinyl windows provide a great return on investment. Additionally, the installation process for vinyl windows is straightforward, which can help reduce labor costs. For Gilbert homeowners on a budget, vinyl windows offer both upfront and long-term savings without compromising on quality or performance. Variety of styles and customization options. Vinyl windows come in a wide range of styles, sizes, and colors, allowing you to customize them to suit your home's look. From classic single-hung and double-hung styles to modern casement and sliding windows, vinyl offers design flexibility for any room. Many manufacturers also offer a variety of colors and finishes, so you can choose a look that complements your home's architecture. Vinyl windows can even be customized with grid patterns, decorative glass, or specialty shapes, giving you plenty of options to achieve your desired aesthetic. Improved sound insulation. For homeowners in busy neighborhoods or areas with high traffic, sound insulation is an important feature. Vinyl windows with double or triple pane glass provide a sound barrier that reduces outdoor noise, creating a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. This sound reduction is a nice bonus for families looking to create a peaceful home environment or those working from home who need fewer distractions. Enhanced curb appeal and property value. Windows are a major part of your home's exterior, and installing vinyl windows can give your property an instant facelift. New windows refresh the appearance of your home, adding to its curb appeal and creating a polished, well-maintained look. In addition to aesthetics, vinyl windows can also add to your home's market value. Prospective buyers often view energy-efficient, low-maintenance features as valuable upgrades, which can make your home more attractive in the resale market. Eco-friendly benefits. For environmentally conscious homeowners, vinyl windows are a sustainable choice. The energy savings provided by vinyl windows help reduce your home's carbon footprint by lowering the need for cooling. Additionally, vinyl is a recyclable material, and many manufacturers have programs to recycle old windows, reducing the environmental impact of window replacement projects. Choosing vinyl is a smart way to make a positive environmental impact while upgrading your home. Vinyl window installation is a practical, affordable, and attractive choice for Gilbert, Arizona homeowners. With benefits that include energy efficiency, durability, low maintenance, and cost savings, vinyl windows are designed to withstand the challenges of Arizona's desert climate. From improved comfort and lower energy bills to enhanced curb appeal, vinyl windows offer lasting value that makes them a wise investment for your home. If you're considering new windows, contact a professional window installer to explore vinyl options that best suit your home's needs and your budget. By choosing vinyl windows, you're not just updating your home. You're investing in a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and beautiful space for years to come.